Your phone is ringing. ستا فون بجاویږي. Your phone is ringing. Do not look at him. هغه طرف ته مه ګوره. Do not look at him. Come with me. ما سره راځه. Come with me. Speak aloud. په تیزه وایه. Speak aloud. Do you speak پښتو؟ آیا ته پښتو وایې؟ Do you speak پښتو؟ Do not walk barefoot. خپې ابله خپې مزه. Do not walk barefoot. Don't make excuses. بانې مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. You are a coward. ته یې رندوکی یې. You are a coward. Draw the bolt. لټکه. Draw the bolt. Try to understand. د پوهېدو کوشش وکړه. Try to understand. Today was fun. نن خو مزه راغله. Today was fun. The air is cold today. نن هوا یخه ده. The air is cold today. I am in trouble. زه په تکلیف کې یم. I am in trouble. What are you looking for? ته څه ګورې؟ What are you looking for? Anything can happen. څه هم پیښیدی شي. Anything can happen. Get me there. ما هغلته ورسوه. Get me there. I wake up late in the morning. زه سحر ناوخته پاسم. I wake up late in the morning. How much do you earn? ته څومره ګټې؟ How much do you earn? You will have to work harder. تاله به نور محنت کولی. You will have to work harder. Are you not at all ashamed? آیا تاله د سره شرم ناراضي؟ Are you not at all ashamed? No doubt. دې کې هیڅ شک نشته. No doubt. Come on, get into the car. راځه موټر کې کېنه. Come on, get into the car. How old will he be? د هغه عمر به څومره وي؟ How old will he be? Apologize to him. د هغه نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to him. Your voice is very sweet. ستا आवाज ډېر خوږ دی. Your voice is very sweet. Don't tell this thing to anyone. دا خبره چاته مه کوه. Don't tell this thing to anyone. Do not tickle. تخنول مه کوه. Do not tickle. Are all well? آیا ټول سم دي؟ Are all well? Stay away from me. ما نه لرې اوسه. Stay away from me. Stop whispering. پټې خبرې بند کا. Stop whispering. Let me see. پرېږده چې وینم. Let me see. Say something. څه خو ووایه. Say something. I am devastated. زه برباد شوم. I am devastated. He is very arrogant. هغه ډیر غرورناک دی. He is very arrogant. Do not sit empty. خالی مکینا. Do not sit empty. When did you arrive? ته کله را ورسیدی. When did you arrive? Is there anything special today? آیا نن څه خاص دی. Is there anything special today? Is it important to go today? آیا نن تل ضروری دی. Is it important to go today? Little birds were singing slowly. وړو مرغو په قلاره سندرې ویلې. Little birds were singing slowly. It is very small window. دا ډیره وړه کړکۍ ده. It is very small window. I have been studying since morning. زه د سحر راسی مطالعه کوم. I have been studying since morning. Can I tell you one thing? آیا یو خبره درته وکم. Can I tell you one thing? He came to me for money. هغه زما خواله پیسو د پاره راغلی و. He came to me for money. He bought a pen. هغه یو پین واغست. He bought a pen. یعنی هغه یو پین په بیه واغست. I gave him 500 rupees. ما هغه له 500 روپۍ ورکړې. I gave him 500 rupees. Can you come to my house? آیا ته زما کور ته راتلی شي. Can you come to my house? I was born in December. زه په دسمبر کې پیدا شوی وم. I was born in December. I left the company in June 2019. ما په جون 2019 کې کمپنی پرېښوده. I left the company in June 2019. I like to do my work myself. زما خپل کار په خپله کول خوښ دی. I like to do my work myself. Don't you understand at once? آیا یو پیره دی په پویه کې نه راځي. Don't you understand at once? I will leave in half an hour. زه به په نیمه ګنټه کې ځم. I will leave in half an hour. I live in Islamabad. زه په اسلام آباد کې اوسېږم. I live in Islamabad. I work in a bank. زه په بانک کې کار کوم. I work in a bank. I did not know that you are here. ما ته پته نه وه چې ته دلته یې. I did not know that you are here. I will come on time. زه به په وخت راشم. I will come on time. I will come before you leave. زه به ستا د وتو نه مخکې راشم. I will come before you leave. Give me a cup of coffee. ما له یو پیاله کافي را. Give me a cup of coffee. The pudding is very well made. حلوا ډیره ښکلي پخ شوي. The pudding is very well made. You make very good food. ته ډیر ښکلی خوراک پخوې. You make very good food. From whom did you learn this? تا دا د چا نه زده کو. From whom did you learn this? I learned to cook from my mother. ما خوراک پخول د خپلې مور نه زده کړي. I learned to cook from my mother. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.